How to program the TX7320 sounder using the TX7932 handheld programmer. First, connect the programming cable to the terminals on the device. Press button 1 for read. This allows you to view the sounder's current program. You'll see its address, the tone it's set to, and its unique ID number. Press button 2 for write. This is how you assign a new address to the sounder. Simply enter the new address and press write to save. Press button 3 for R/W config. This is where you can adjust several key settings. Inside the R/W config menu, you have a few options. First, you can set the addressing mode for evacuation and alert tones. The default is 3 single address. You can change this to 4 dual address if your system requires it. Next, you can configure the current consumption. The default is 5 TYP, typical mode, which consumes around 15 milliamperes. For lower power consumption, you can select 6 saving mode, which uses only 9 milliamperes. Finally, you can choose the output type. You can set it to 7 strobe for a visible signal only or both, or 8 sound for an audible signal only. Please note the important warning. If you configure the sounder for strobe only, it will accept the command but will not produce any audible alert. For any of these configuration changes, remember to press write to save your settings. Press button 4 for set tones. This menu allows you to assign and customize the specific audible tones for the sounder. And that's it. You've successfully connected to, read, and programmed the TNA TX7320 sounder.